way, and we keep the chrome clean. Shades on my eyes, feeling real supreme. Baseline bumping like you're living a dream. Bump. Bounce. Bounce. Let the good vibes ride. Talk box screaming while the sun collide. Groove on.
Good job.
Pride. Barbecue, smoke in the air, catch the scent. Oh, smells good. Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. The boulevard flip to the beach where you went. Yeah. Hustle.
Wow. Wala sa akin, no?
Our room is in the 19th floor.
Really high. Yeah. Oh, we gotta go back. Oh,
Na push
I have
the
so many Teslas. Even from now, I can.
this side, ma'am.
Please, mommy.
The toilet. Here you go. Kitsy kitsy. Parang vintage ano siya, no? Style. Here on the right, ang ating mirror. Ito yung cabinet niya. Nice. Diba? Then let's move forward. So, ito na yung full room natin. Meron tayong study table here, side table there, ang queen bed on the right side, itong ating TV. Yan. Tapos ito naman, cute nito, yung mini bar natin dyan. Mini bar, safe box, and then ang ating mini fridge in here. Yep, cutie. Then, ito ang ating view. Look at that. So, medyo gabi na. Bukas ng umaga, ipakita namin yung view namin. Yan. Maganda yung place natin. Nasa center siya ng city. Yep. So, nasa 19th floor tayo. Here you go. Daddy, say hi!
Calendars na dito, mga event.
Oh, nice. So this will be our home for 6 days. Hey. Coming out from the hotel. 7-Eleven agad sa tapat namin. Malapit siya dito sa... Ayun, katapat siya pala. Tabi siya ng Mika. So we're gonna roam around to check where we can eat for dinner, and then we'll just check the neighborhood. Yay! First night! This guy's so hungry na eh. Ayun, yung hotel namin is dito sa Eton HK Hotel. Maganda yung place niya kasi McDonald's agad. Oh. Dati hindi tayo dito sa likod tayo kaya. Ang hotel namin. Doon. Dati, sa likod tayo dati. Dito. Oo. Check tayo ng ano, masarap na restaurant. Ayan o, 99.18. Hala! Sa tabi lang merong Starbucks na o. Diba? Yan. O, dun tayo nang galing-galing na. O, Starbucks. Ang cool o. Naka-Halloween theme na sila. Actually, pati yung hotel namin naka-Halloween theme na. Tapos may mga event din sila upcoming. Ooh, ayun yung duck. Peking duck. Oh, may malapit na withdrawal, ATM machine. O, diba? Wing on. Ano kaya itong ano to? Wing on plus? Baka shopping ano din siya. Mall. Okay. Sige. Maglalakad-lakad muna kami. Ay, 24 hours gym. May gym din dito. Ah, nice. Hanap muna kami makakainan and we'll update you guys. Bye!
Bang! So now we're gonna cross the street.
Ah, let's go!
Let's go! Bang!
Right or left?
Right or left, guys? Yes, left.
Ano, papuntang MTR.
Here's our foodie. Ano sa'yo, Dan? Base point ng kay Daddy. Ito sa akin parang sa ating beef and sa triple churma to. Yay! Let's eat! Dito kami kumain.
Modified.
Ayan, para lang siyang small carinderia. Ang dami dito, as in, ang dami. Ikaw na lang mamimili kung saan mo gusto. Masarap naman. Masarap ba, Daddy?
Yummers!
Jiggy, how is it? How's the food?
I'm so full.
Good, good.
Ay, malaki-laki siya.
Ayan, mag-ikot-ikot ulit tayo. Bago bumalik sa hotel para magpahinga. May nakita kaming matcha ice cream. So, McDonald's pala siya. Ayan, hindi tayo isa. Yay!
Yan ito.
Ako, someone's happy na naman. Sige, JD, taste it first. So little naman.
Taste mo na nila.
How was it? Ano yan, Dad? Kit Kat matcha ice cream from McDonald's.
Hold mo properly, JD. Hold it properly.
How was it,
Tapos,
Bear? How was it?
May mami pagkipin mo. Saan tayo punta, me?
Yummy! Kahit saan? Tara, lakad pa. May nakita kami, guys. Ito, oh. Puntahan natin siya. Ayan, fam. We're here na. Parang night market siya. Mga kahagod, mga fam. Lahat na. Night market siya. Pero late na. Kasi sobrang busog na namin. Ayun, oh. Ito yung mga street foods nila. Ooh! Wood!
Uy, oh, sarap.
Uy!
Octopus.
Yummy! Yum, yum, yum. Siguro next time. Kasi malapit lang naman kami dito. Uy, this is so good. Nice. Malapit lang naman kami dito, so pwede namin siyang balikan. So, roam around lang tayo. Ayan, oh. Ay, oo, siguro nga parang Halloween special nila. Yun mo, may mga design pa silang pa-Halloween dyan. Look at that. Woo! Ayan naman.
Ito sa kumain.
Ha? Kaya dapat dito tayo kumain. Kasi naman eh. Nagutom na talaga kami. Hindi na kami nakapaghintay. Oh, wow! Itong gusto ni Daddy talaga, ang oyster. OMG! Ah, meron silang ano doon yung kainan sa loob. Daddy, feeling ko babalik talaga tayo dito. Yan ang favorite ni
One
Daddy.
piece 35.
Tatlo, 100. Oo, not bad. Ay, umaambon na.
Oh, you want to cook?
Wala, umaambon na. Sige lang, putanong natin tapos balik na din tayo. Yay!
Dalawa
So
at
cool.
laman.
Daddy, ito din ah. Wow. Hello.
Oyster, okay?
So big. So nice.
Raining!
How much is this?
35 one.
35 won.
Yeah.
Thank you. Parehas lang din. Same lang din, no?
Grabe lang.
Ayan o, itong mga street food. So nice. Hello. Mga ano dito din. Mga street food. Nice. Ang dami. Ay, ito parang mga shopping, ano na, parang mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi na dito. Tiyanggi-tiyanggi. Dito, oh. Marami ng mga cutie. KFC, McDonald's, you want some? Cute. Ayan, mga tiyanggi. Meron din dito. Ayan, oh. So cool, so nice. Anyway, end ko na to. Mag-ikot-ikot na kami. Bye! Good morning! Dito sa Hong Kong and we're going to ride the MTR. Where are we going, my love? JD, where are we going? Yeah, we're going to Macau. Let's go! Going to Central! Central Station. Let's go!
Hey. Let's go, letter D. Going to...
Ito na, Turbo Jet. We got the ticket. OMG. Dulo? Wow, JD. JD lang. Uy.
If you want to Macau City Flow, there's local flow. Here is the stop for the Guanyin Stadium and over East Coast State Hall, the three halls of casinos in Macau, and his second wife's Macau. Now, right hand side, you can take some photos if you like.
So dito kami.
Now we are here. New York, take a look. New York here. And then you can see the time, right? Now we are here.
Hey. Now, now we are here in Macau. Let's go. We're crossing in the street. Where we go, mommy? Let's go. Waiting. Mommy.
成咗㗎，我上次買啊，佢話已經升咗啦。
Busog na siya, kaka-pre-taste. Sana all. Busog na yun.
Ayan, kain na kayo.
Parang nasa Pinas lang pala tayo eh.
Yummy, you good?
Get mo daw kaya. Wow!
Thank you, bye-bye.
Yeah?
Sumo. Bye-bye.
Thank you! Are you paying na? Are you paying? Thank you! Tapos na makipagsabayan doon sa St. Paul Ruins. Grabe sobrang init. Time check. It's 12:30. Ayun, ang ganda dito. Ayun ang bata, naglalaro. Nakatis. Kaya tayo dito mamaya.
We're mountain climbers.
Mountain climbers agad. Tingnan mo yung sa baba. Uy. Okay. Diyan tayo sa taas. Makita mo yung city ng Macau. It's okay.
Kanan!
Look at daddy. Going inside this Fortaleza del Monte. Ano nasa loob?
Some black stuff.
Ah,
Look, some black stuff.
I guess more cannons inside.
There's some black stuff here.
Come on. Come here, love. Daddy, ito may tubig dito. Pagbaba na lang. Kasi magbibitbit tayo. Oh, what's that song? Judy, come on! Go, go, go up! Ah, malaki pa pala siya dito. Okay. Here. Baka sa gabi may nagpe-perform dito. Ayun, makikita natin yung sito. May nakikita ka, be? Wala. Are you saying something?
No, you need to insert.
Ah, okay. Just that. I mean, hey, do you see me?
No, nothing. I can see, but you look only one way.
Going down na. Again. Baba tayo na ulit. At goodbye. Goodbye, St. Paul Ruins. And down. Daddy ko. Finally, binigyan na siya. Finally, binigyan na siya. How was it?
Yummy, right?
It's pork.
Đi ba? Thế cô, con thắng. Ok. Con có tiền này. À, có tiền.
Coffee. Ang tagal. Hop on the bus again and going to another destination. Let's go.
9, the chief executives was here. Then in front of here, there's Mangkao Tower. Mangkao Tower, it was built in the year 2009, just reclaim the tower. So any friends want to visit the Macau, see the tall and new buildings there. That's made in China, Zhuhai City. That's made in China, Zhuhai City. Zhuhai City is very close to Macau. And that's why Macau is surrounded by Zhuhai City. 咱们看到右手边那边是中国珠海的地， it takes us about 40 minutes. Now we are going to closer to Macau. 好，咱们现在往南去到。Later, it just built in the year 2019. It's the same design to Las Vegas. There is a very beautiful artificial sky Venetian. 那咱们看向这个。
Mind the gap. Mind the gap.
Wow! Daddy, don't remove. Let's go. Yeah, but it's a different one. Let's go. Huh?
This is the new hotels and casinos here. It's going to open very soon. Now Peninsula in Taipan Island.
Back at Hong Kong. Looking for the restaurant kung saan kami mag-dinner. Nandito kami sa ano station yan? Dati binaba natin Chinchan na station. Dinner lang, tapos walk around. Sobrang pagod na nitong batang to eh. Anyway. Okay, later again, bye. Let's check in here. Let's go. From here.
Guys, pag pupunta kayo dito, hanapin nyo ang UNT restaurant. Malapit siya sa
Chinchasu.
Chinchasu. Chinchasu
Shinsansu.
Oh, alam mo dyan.
restaurant station.
Pero ang laki ng serving niya.
Sold na siya, mura na, madami pang serving. Good for 2 person.
Para sa amin, good for two. Kasi ang daming laman, sobrang nakakabusog. Kasi with rice siya, tapos dalawang ulam yung kasama. Sa akin nga tatlo eh, parang itong ano to, pork na parang tocino na matamis, may sausage, tapos may chicken din. Pero, recommend to ni, napanood natin to kanina, Dad.
Kay Ivan de Guzman.
Shout out.
Like nyo lang yung page niya. Marami din.
Yung YouTube niya.
Yung YouTube niya.
Talagang hinanap namin to kasi napanood namin kay Ivan. Anyway, thank you. Kasi masarap, sulit-sulit talaga. As in. Yeah, bye. Marami daw. Ayun daw. Ay, matsakit man yun. Kailangan mo yung powder. Wala, ang dami dito. As in, kakatuwa. Halloween night, let's go! Yung Jollibee guys, oh. Jollibee, bye! We're back in the hotel area. Back to the hotel. Let's go. Let's go na to the room, Beth. Day 2 done. Check, 11:15 in the evening.
Oh, 11 na.
Yeah,